When we celebrate St. Patrick's Day, we don't just have to make corned beef cabbage. But first, let's worry about breakfast.
Yes, here with a recipe for green apple pancakes and a Guinness syrup is Chef Christian Feher from TampaBayChef.com. Ooh, I've never had beer syrup before.
Yes, well, top of the morning to you both.
Top of the morning to you as
And you,
well.
gentlemen?
How'd you make the green pancakes?
So the green pancakes are actually really easy. These are just regular pancakes, but when you go to add water, you add a little bit of spinach juice. You can't taste it, but it makes it green and it actually makes it a little bit healthy.
How do you get your spinach juice?
You just take water, spinach, blender, press on, you're good.
So these are healthy pancakes.
Yeah, they're healthy pancakes, but they taste good.
Where's the apple?
And there's chopped up cooked apples inside.
Ooh, this sounds really delicious.
I was going to say, I felt like, was I supposed to know what spinach juice was when you said it? I've never seen spinach juice.
I thought it was
Yeah.
green food coloring,
That
to
was
be
my
honest.
You can
guess.
do green food coloring, but if you want to be healthy, you can do spinach. And it just, as you can see, it works just as well as food coloring.
And they don't taste like spinach at all, do
And
they?
it may not kill you in 20 years.
Thank you, thank you. So, okay, we've got our green pancakes with
Yeah.
our cooked apples inside and Guinness beer.
That's right. We're going to take a Guinness stout and we're going
Uh-huh.
to make a syrup out of it. So this is going to be a nice bittersweet sort of thing. You know, Guinness has that little bitter tinge to it, so it actually works out really well for
And
a
Guinness-
St. Patrick's Day breakfast.
When it comes to brew, I've heard Guinness is very, well, quite healthy.
It is. It's
Yeah.
like drinking bread
Oh,
with sugar.
well, maybe
This
I'll
doesn't
take
sound
that
that
back.
healthy, Cindy. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Well, here's the
Well,
thing.
maybe it was
You
the
won't
people
starve
from
to
Guinness
death.
that said that.
Yeah.
We have different definitions of healthy.
Right.
I would say it's survival food.
Okay,
So I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar.
just a bit.
Yeah.
That melts right down.
And then a little bit of molasses, about a tablespoon.
This is one of those days when you realize how much sugar goes into syrup in the first place, right?
Yeah.
Unless you're having it straight from the tree, then it's just a natural sugar.
Yeah,
right?
that's right. It's all from the tree.
Right.
We hug them.
Now, this doesn't come from Ireland, this recipe, does it? Or does it? Maybe
No,
it
this,
comes from
this
Guinness.
comes from Tampa.
Okay, we're putting our Irish spring
Probably the
on.
least Irish place in the world.
Irish spin. I said an Irish spring on it.
Not a lot of those. So you mix in the molasses and the brown sugar until when?
Until it's all mixed in there and melted. And then this is a slurry. So this is tapioca starch and water.
Oh,
Tapioca.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can use cornstarch, but tapioca starch holds better.
okay.
Okay, and then you just add it until desired thickness is reached.
Is that what a slurry means? Something that's going to thicken your sauce? Or is, I mean,
So-
what does it mean to
So
make
there's
a
different
slurry?
thickeners.
Uh-huh.
So a roux is a flour and the fat,
Okay,
like butter and flour. A slurry is a starch and the water.
okay.
And a liaison is heavy cream and eggs.
Oh, I like the liaison.
Liaison.
Sounds amazing.
Sounds a little fancy.
Okay, giving that a good spin.
Giving it a good spin.
Yeah.
See how it's nice and thick now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's getting
it's
glossy.
actually starting to look like syrup.
Yeah, it is. Now it is officially syrup.
It is. Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to run over there and get some heavy whipped cream.
Go for
Is
it.
it officially syrup or officially syrup?
Oh, I say syrup.
What's the official
What do
thing?
you say?
I say syrup. What do you say?
Syrup. Syrup, eh?
Okay. Well,
Is that
you,
Canadian to say
Yeah.
syrup?
Yeah, you hold
Cindy
I
it.
don't
doing it all
remember
wrong.
ever growing up saying syrup.
What did you
Pass me
say?
this- I think I said syrup, but now I don't know.
Let's have a Dora the Explorer moment. What did you say?
Syrup
Yeah,
or
and then
syrup?
you have to stare
Please,
Yeah.
and wait for the response.
go to our Facebook page and tell us if you say syrup or syrup.
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 Now, my favorite part here
Yes.
of pancaking,
Yes.
or the art of pancaking,
Yes.
is to take a whole bunch of butter and you put it on top.
This is such a healthy breakfast.
Yeah. Well,
St. Patrick's Day, it's okay.
that's right.
That's right.
You've had a rough night, most
Right.
likely.
Yeah, we
It's
have a
St. Patrick's
celebration.
Day morning.
We do.
There are no healthy holidays. That's not the point of a holiday.
All right.
Oh, here it
and,
comes.
now we put on this really nice Guinness draft syrup.
Oh, my
Look at that.
goodness.
And there you
And
go.
I imagine most of the alcohol's been cooked off, right?
Yes.
Sure, so you can feed this to the kids, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Christian said
if your
so.
kids are redheaded
they're-
and freckled, yes,
And
most
they're over
likely.
21.
Chef Fair,
Chef
thanks so much for your
Christian
time.
Feher,
Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy.
You are from TampaBayChef.com. I'm going in here. I got to give this a try and see if it's as good as just a regular maple syrup.
Well,
There you
let
go.
me know what you think. What do you think? Edible?
It's definitely edible.
Excellent.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
Mm.